Hello, friends. Today we are going to see the uh, one important interview question. Find the missing single element in an array. Uh, so we have an array like this: 1, 2, 4, 5. So within this, yeah, there is one element is missed, that is 3. So let me clear this. Let me clear the problematic statement. So we have an array like uh, 1 and 2 and 3 and like 4 and 5 and, uh, and 6, 8 and 9 and 10. So in this we have an array. Within this we missed only one element. So that is 7. So we need to find out that element by using Java. That's what we are going to do. So let me take this example itself. So I'm going to copy. Let me use this same. So we have an array. In this array, we have 4 elements. So the missing element is 3. So let me have a method like finding missing element. So let's pass this array. So let me create that method. So there are multiple ways to resolve this. So let me discuss in one way. So we are going to have a for loop. Within that for loop, we are going to iterate the whole array, and then we will be matching with our for loop I with the array of an element. So if it is not matched, then that's where we are missed. So we will be returning that I values. So let's have a for loop. Before that, we need to find out the length of the array. So length array dot length. So you can use directly, but here I am declaring another variable called length, and I'm find that length of an array. So let's have for loop. Within that for loop, I am having the variable called I. I am initializing the I with 0. I should be lesser than the length of the variable. So I should be get incremented. I am using the increment operator, and within this loop I am checking if array of an element, array of I, that means we'll be getting first time the I should be 0. So array of 0, then it will be 1. So I am going to match with array should not be equal to I plus 1. So if it is not equal, then that is the element we are looking for. So missing element is, we are going to print that out. So I plus 1. So if you are not using this bracket here, the addition operation will not happen here actually. So it will be concatenation will happen over here. That's why I am using the brackets to do the additional operation within this print ln alone. So we find the element. So if we find the element, we need not to execute the for loop further. So I am breaking here the for loop, entire loop. So let me explain this. So we are having an array, array 1, 2, 4, 5. So Now I initialized with 0, so it's lesser than 4, so true, it will come into the for loop. And array, now the array of 0 is not equal to what is that, I plus 1, yeah, it's 1. So actually its array of 0, it's equal to 1. So now the condition is false. Again it will go to the for loop. It will be get incremented. I will be getting incremented. Now the I is 1. 1 lesser than 4. So the condition is true. It will come into this for loop. It will check again. Array of 1. That means 2. Array of 1 not equal to, that means 2 not equal to I plus 1. Now I is what? 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 not equal to 2. That's false. So it will again go back to that for loop. It will be, I will be getting incremented. Now the I is 3. Sorry, now I is 2. 2 lesser than 4. Yeah, obviously true. So I of 2 is what? 4. Then I of 2 is 4, and what is the I value? 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 4 not equal to 3. So obviously it's satisfy the condition. So it will come into the if condition. So it will print this 3. So it will break. Yeah, that's all. Let's execute the program. We'll see the output. Yes, missing element is 3. Yeah, we got the output. So yeah, so let me do one thing. I am interchanging 4 is here and 2 is here. The array is as it is, but I am just misplaced, interchange the element within this array. Do we get the same output? Yeah, obviously not. So what we have done is, the missing element is 2. So it will work for the sequential array. It will not work for the unordered array. If you maintain the order in that array, then only it will get our program will give the exact correct output. Otherwise, it will give us the wrong output. So what to do now? So let's think about it. We will do the program in another way. So I have another approach. What is that? I'm going to sum this array with the missing element. We need to find out that we need to find out the sum of the array including the missing element. And we are going to next we need to find out the sum of this array without missing element. And if we subtract from the first one to second one, we will be getting the missing element. Yeah, let's do that. So what is the size of an array now? It's going to be including missing element. It's going to be array.length plus 1. So now we got the output. So let's how to calculate the sum of the array with the missing element. There is one max form I would have studied in the 6th or 7th standard. So int total again multiply by n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is nothing but a length of an array. So let's change this one into n. So if we apply this formula, we will be getting the sum of an array with including missed element, because I have added 1 here. So now we got the sum of the array, even including missed elements. Now we have to calculate the sum of the array without missed elements. So how to do that? Let's have a for loop. Let's use the same for loop here. Let's declare a variable array total and naming it as array total and initialize with 0. So now the 0 array total going to be I. We will be getting the array total. We will be getting the array total here. So let's use the process out and missing element is, let's use the bracket to avoid the concatenation. So array total minus array total. So let's execute the program. Yeah. Oh, what is that? Missing element is 5. That's ridiculous. Where it went wrong. Let's print out the total and array total. Array total. And going to print at total and array total, so we will find out where is the defect. So array total is 15, total is 15, array total is 10. Five, 7. Actually, array total should be 12. So where, oh, our mistake is we haven't had array. That's a mistake we made. That's a very big mistake actually. Now it's good. Array index order and exception. So we have added one more thing, right? That's what we are getting at. Yeah, missing element is 3. So the total is 15 and array total is 12. The missing element is 3.